Sri Matre Namaha. Hi students, welcome to Ajitaha IAS Academy. In this video, let us discuss about the global methane pledge because there are chances of asking about this. So we will discuss about the few concepts in this video and we will discuss more about this in the environment section. However, we cannot separate economics of the environment, especially in this age of anthropogenic activities causing the sixth mass extinction according to IPCC report. Okay, so we need to consider few aspects of the economy, environment into economy. So global methane pledge, it's a joint effort of the US and the European Union. Okay, it was jointly launched. The concept of this was brought by the US and the European Union, and it was announced at the United Nations Conference of Parties 26th meet at the Glasgow. Place is not important. In the year 2021, it was launched. Okay, COP26. It is a recent concept. Okay, in 2015, it was Paris Climate Conference, and there were other nationally determined contributions. They were announced in continuation of that global methane pledge. Okay, so what is it focusing on? It is focusing on stopping deforestation and cutting down the global methane emissions by up to 30%. Okay, 30% they're targeting to reduce. But what is the parameter of 30%? From which year you will take? From 2020 levels by 2030. For example, let us take a country, for example, England. They are releasing 100 tons in 2020. So they will release only 70 tons in the 20 year 2030. Okay, the benchmark is 2020. So far, 90 countries have joined this initiative. However, there are certain countries like China, Russia, and India have not joined this because we are all saying that we are emerging countries and developing countries. If these developed countries of India, US, and European Union, which are Western countries, which are highly developed, but they already release a lot of the greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, but still not contributing financially and technically to the countries like China, Russia, we cannot reduce our emissions. That is the argument from the India. While Australia had said it will not back the pledge at all because they still have a lot of upgradations to take place, transformation of their economy to take place, especially the excavation, uh, coalification and coal extraction of the economy, that is so the coral reef forms and we will discuss about in the environment section. However, Brazil, one of the five biggest emitters of the methane, have ratified, that is signed this methane pledge. Okay, we need to understand among the BRICS nations, BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, it was only Brazil which has approved this global methane pledge, but not the other countries. Okay, so, what is about the methane? It is a greenhouse gas, and we will discuss more about in the environment section, so that we will not make this video a huge length. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you so much.